smoke. What you call an icon living? Try to pick a little miss, just did it. I love over 5 minutes. Whoa, we up to our in the place.
Hey guys, it's me Egypt and I'm back again with another thrift flip, of course, and today I am going to be thrift flipping this super cute blanket. Like, I'm in love with this pattern. It's so beautiful and it's gonna look so great as shorts, as you guys saw. So I use these jeans to trace my pattern. Then I trace 4 of these short shapes out and yeah, you're gonna need to cut 4 of these for shorts. So once you cut out your shapes, you're going to want to pin them together so you can start sewing. So the first place that I pinned is down the sides, and then I sewed down the sides, and then I pinned the middles together. You don't want to pin them stuck together. You want to make sure you can kind of like put your hand through it, like what I'm showing you right now. Both sides are pinned and you're going to sew down the middles of both sides. Okay, so after you sew down the sides in the middle, you want to sew the crotch area. I thought it was easier to kind of like break these processes up to make sure that my shorts come out really nice. So after I did that, I fished the elastic band through the top and then I sewed that shut, and then, you know, I cleaned up my hems and my edges and everything like that, and that was pretty much it. It was a long process only because I took my time because I wanted it to look as professional as possible, but it was easy. Like, it was long, but it was easy. So yeah, that's it. So the next DIY we have is a really simple one. I just took this denim shirt and I scrunched it up as if you were doing tie-dye. I don't know, I feel like everybody has done tie-dye one time in their life. If you haven't, you basically just pinch it in the middle and spiral the fabric, and that's what gets the spiral design after you're done putting your liquids or whatever. So I only had one rubber band, so this is how mine looks. My spray bottle wasn't working, so I had to get a little bit ratchet and pour the bleach straight onto the shirt while on the floor. So yeah, I got a little messy with mine. I suggest you do this in the tub or in the sink. I don't know why I didn't do that. And I was in the bathroom, so I really had no excuse to just pour bleach on the floor. But whatever, man. It still came out cute, so. I let the bleach sit in there for like 30 minutes and then I unraveled it, and this is how it looked. It looks pretty faint, but after I put it in the washing machine to rinse and then the dryer, it ended up looking more vibrant and more light than it looks now. Okay, so this is how the shorts came out. They came out really, really nice. I put elastic in the waist. I could have put a smaller elastic because my waist is on wear. So yeah, it's a little bit low-waisted. But I mean, this is kind of like the fit of the type of shorts that I was going for, so I'm fine with it. It's like a real cozy fit, not really like booty shorts or anything, or like nothing like that. But I really love the way they turned out, honestly, so I'm satisfied. It's cute. I love this. This the fit. Fit check, period. But yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Because I figured out my dilemma. I look cute. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am gonna be doing more DIYs because I feel like that's really what my channel is probably gonna turn into, but I don't want it to be tutorials because I am really doing all these things for the first time when I record them. So I just don't want to do a tutorial because I don't even know what I'm doing. I can't give you guys a substantial tutorial. So these are not tutorials, okay? So yeah, I just want to like show my processes of making things because I make a lot of stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, like it. If you didn't like it, subscribe down below and comment. I don't know, comment anything you want, I don't really care. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.